Android?
Yeah, I know. I'm lame. Where did Isaiah say we're hiding it?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. We'll just hide it then.
That's I think.
Where's our area?
Back here.
All this side?
All this side.
You get all that
I
side.
got it.
Okay, you got it. Perfect. Yeah, true. Okay. He's gone. Put it. Here, go around that side. So it can't be seen. Yeah, get it like nice in the bush. Okay. Now let's go scout out. You go that way. I'll go this way. Do solo mission. Who brings a motorcycle? Gosh, that tree is so dead. Oh, he's not done yet. I thought he'd be done by now. I think he's hiding it in the big bush. Yeah. What happened to the bullet? The bullet gave up. It didn't want to be fired.
Your grandma's house in the driveway. Big bush.
Yeah, okay, the big. That's what I was thinking he was hiding it in. I'll just pocket. Yeah. I saw the bullet. We're ready! I'm gonna defend ours. You get the thing.
What?
Yeah, he ran. We're good. We have advantage of 2. Oh, crap. This thing takes way too long to reload. Yeah, it's gonna misfire. What is it over there? Oh, that was a bad shot. Whoa, faster! Man, this thing was not tight. What, the towel? Oh, you hit him with the... You have to go back to your base. Well, you gotta count to like 30 or something before you can shoot again. Okay, where is the thing? We got 30.
He let me get up and just told me he had one. I'm like, okay. Now you got 2.
I'm blind. I don't know where it is. No, he's standing by it.
Okay, now good. Am I close enough?
Oh, did I hit you in the eye? Well, you got me, so I'll go stand while you recover. Where the heck did... Oh, we hit it in the bush. I forgot already. I feel kind of bad now, though. Well, I guess I'm stuck for 30 seconds. No, you don't have to put it back. You put it where you dropped it. Isaiah, she puts it back where she got hit at. Isaiah.
No, it's fine.
Okay, then. Well, I don't know where it is, but it's in the bush. Okay, that's descriptive enough, I guess. Oh, it's literally in the bush. Yeah, I got it. I probably need to go grab that bullet though. I set it on top of the bush if that helps. You don't get a pause to reload. Lucy, just go to our base. Don't run all the way around. Well, I don't see her. I think she got caught. We're gonna go. She got caught.
I can start chasing Isaiah. You try to get the flag, okay?
Yeah, that sounds like a good plan to me.
Let me see this thing. How come yours has this thing?
I have no idea what. I think this is like a fake scope for like toy aesthetic.
They haven't like that.
Did you get hit?
Yeah.
Okay, I was counting my 30 seconds. So I'm good now.
You did 30 seconds.
Yeah, you stood there too. Where'd he go? Did he go around? Did he put it back yet?
101.
Yeah, I kind of got that vibe. I think he got ours though. Yeah, he got ours. I want to argue, but I don't at the same time. Hi.
I'm coming with you.
Okay. I mean, he's already in his land, but also, you know, never mind. Just win. I don't care enough to argue right now. Let's go again.
Yeah, my flag's right there. Can you grab it?
Yeah.
Can we be in the front yard now? Sure.
Here.
Here, you guys get that flag. We get it. I don't have any bullets. Come on, Leah. I only have one.
Here. I only have 3 there. Now we split them. Yeah, well, the bullets are going to be gone real quick. Okay, we need a more rigged spot if we're going to win. Okay, the spot Isaiah literally couldn't get. I'm going to chuck it in the tree.
Isaiah's little, so.
We got to use that to our advantage. We're going to set it like... wedge it like...
No. Here, I got it.
Okay, you got it?
No!
Give us a few minutes!
Got it.
Yeah, that works.
So he's as tall as me. He can't reach it.
He'll have to jump for it. So, that's good enough for me. All right.
Yeah, he's taller than me.
We're ready! Okay, I'll get this way. Two bullets. Sounds like he's behind the truck. He's behind the truck. Hi. How are you?
I don't have any darts.
Great. That sounds like a you problem. Don't. Well, I may or may not have many darts either. Okay, cut him off. Got you. Yeah, you can have the dart. Go to your base. And you can't shoot us.
30 seconds starts now. 1.
But you gotta be at the base, but it's her.
3.
I'm willing to take the black guy, Lucy. You better get this flag.
9, 10, 18, 11.
What?
12.
Okay,
13, 14.
I found it. You know, he probably should have had bullets. It's a fatal error in a game of Nerf darts. Same, when I shot him with. I'm gonna grab the flag. He doesn't see where the spot is. Isaiah, you wanna do another round? See who wins overall? I don't know where he went.
Huh?
Where did he go?
I don't know.
Isaiah, want to play another game?
Yeah, I was gonna say you had Zay or you're like screwed.
He's all the way. Yeah, it's 1-1. We got to do a tiebreaker.
Ours was in the tree, by the way.
We sat in that tree. Here, whichever one you want. Small one, okay. Okay, well, I don't know where that is. We'll figure it out. Well, actually, the hardest spot ever is the roof, but I'm not going to do that. It's a little off. I want something that he doesn't see right away. I want something actually.
Is that part of your yard?
This is. What if we threw it in here? It's taken way too long to grab it inside of this. And that's like a last spot you'd look. But, I mean, I guess if you want me to distract him while you grab it, sure. But 2 against 1 thing makes it really fun. Because once he's shot, he basically loses. Ready? Yeah? I'll take that as a yes. Well, he ran away. He was in... Yeah, I'll chase him. You look at the garage. I'm guessing it's in the garage. Where did he go? I think he ran to our base. Oh. You go. You ditched the gun. What? Oh, you ditched a gun. I was like, why would you ditch a gun in a Nerf war? I got Bro, I got blocked by the tree. Wait. Get the bullet. Where did my bullet go? Lost to time, I suppose. Nah, he ran and loaded. Lucy, what happened to looking? We'll check somewhere else. Not the garage. I don't know. No, you didn't. You hit the wall. And it went in the bush, and I don't know what happened. I'm trying. I also wanted to find that bullet. Yeah, hand me those bullets. I may or may not be out. Not anymore. He just shot at me, but... Was distracted. Lucy, go check his face. Go. I don't know. We gotta find it. It's a little towel, so it's really hard to... Man, this push is really bad. What did you shoot at? He screamed. That's a good sign. I don't see it anywhere. Oh, no, I want that. Lucy, look better. We need to look a little better. He's distracted. He's in the middle of the thing. This is a good time to look. Ignore the. There's not a bat over here, right? Cool. That's bad. I don't think you realized I wasn't loaded. We're good. What is this? I'm not afraid to hit both of you. That's right. You got me. Are you okay? I'll go count if I can. Lucy! I hit him. He's got to go to his base. Follow him. He also hit me, though. Well, I'm going to miss all the action. It was worth the win. Also, apparently I can only shoot Isaiah in the eye, so what a great cousin am I. Okay, Isaiah and Lucy were just here. Yeah, you gotta go to your flag, Isaiah. He's at his flag, go! It's probably in the van. Is it under? Is it in there? It's not in there, is it? We're stupid. He knows where ours is. I got it. We won, Isaiah. Let's. Oh. Yeah, it's here.
You don't have to.
And also, you can't grab it and run.
Can we go fishing?
Sure.
We're going fishing.
Though we're not going to catch anything. Wow, that just doesn't show me. Free the phone. There you go. That's Nerf guns with chaos, I guess. I don't know. It's later.